Johnny, hurry up and come let me walk you to school. It's getting late.
Since Daddy not working today, he will walk me to school, Mommy.
Okay, Daddy's boy.
Come on, kiddo. Let's go.
Daddy, what are they doing?
Well, Johnny, I have to be honest with you. They are making puppies.
Okay, Daddy.
Johnny has always been a curious boy. I am relieved he does not probe any further about those dogs. It would be really awkward to explain dogs having sex to a 6-year-old boy.
Mommy? Daddy?
Johnny, what are you doing up at this time?
I couldn't sleep, Daddy. I was having a weird dream.
All right, I will come and tuck you into bed.
Daddy, what were you and Mommy doing?
I have to be honest with you, Johnny. Your mom and I were making a baby.
Okay, Daddy, but flip Mommy over. I want a puppy.